try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. You got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming is...
Hello guys, Assalamualaikum, dah berjumpa lagi ke channel aku. Ok guys, dalam minggu lepas aku ada mancing kayak aku casting kat Lombok ni. Tapi hasil dia pun kurang memuaskan, semua saya kecil-kecil je. Pasal 2 jari, 3 jari macam tu je lah aku dapat. Intro tu, ni aku baru nak buat intro sebab tak sempat pun nak buat intro dia. Sebab kau kena tarik kayak kau, kena angkut kayak kau, kau kena pasang, kena set up mancing kau semua. Bukan mudah guys. Aku terus lancor je. Tapi tu je dah. Mungkin aku akan repeat balik tempat tu. Tapi ni je lah intro aku boleh buat. Yang mana dah like, support video aku selama ni, terima kasih banyak-banyak. Tanpa korang, sampalah video aku. Ok guys, apa-apa pun korang layan je lah video. Bye-bye. Hah? Oh, kena. Hui. Try. Baby kecil, alui. Alhamdulillah ada guys. Baby tak besar mana lah, jadi ada kecil lah. Terlepas balik lah. Allah. Mana yang besar ni? Ui, dia punya lumut tebal. Ada. Tak besar, kecil lah. Alah, comel lah. Comel je guys. Lepas balik lah. Mana yang besar ni? Tak ada yang besar, yang kecil je. Kita try ni. Kalau ada lagi. Rahim. Curut lagi. Halus-halus guys. Tak ada yang besar pun. Kecil je. Jadilah. Kecil lagi. Aduh, comel-comel. Comel-comel guys. Tak ada yang besar. Kita lepas balik.
Move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they drag the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside. And on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job, no